So we're here today in Woodinville. Woodinville is like 20 miles from Seattle, and it does have a lot of wineries like Chateau and then Columbia Winery. So there are a lot of tourists here. And when we drove here, we actually noticed that in the tourist district and Woodinville downtown, they are doing a lot of big projects like townhomes and business centers and even a hotel. And this community is called The Vintage on Hollywood Hill, only 5 minutes from the tourist district and Woodinville downtown. There are 23 homes in this new community, and each home has over 1 acre land. So every home looks like this, like magnificent and very luxurious. And the square footage of each home is from 4,000 to 6,000 square feet. And this home that we're going to show you, the model home, is one of their biggest homes. It's around 6,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. Let's go and check it out. Entering the home, there is this huge foyer. It's basically, one of the features of a modern farmhouse design. It is 2-level vaulted ceiling and a big chandelier that features, the classic style of this home. And then on the left-hand side, here is the office. Glass French door, really nice design. It's a great size, and also they have an accent wall behind me. Then the whole room doesn't feel that boring anymore. Let's go take a look at their dining room first. I really love the size of the dining room. It does have these 2 luxurious chandeliers, and because it is so close to tourist district, there is a wine cellar right next to the formal dining room. And I saw there's a Sammamish wine cooler inside. This is a really luxurious design for this home. Okay, coming this way, now we're in the formal great room. So it's 10 feet ceiling height and windows on this side, so great natural light. And then the center of the room is this gas fireplace that is decorated with the gray stones. And I really like the color. It goes really well with the design of this house. And on the other side, we have an open concept gourmet kitchen. I really like the size and the color of this kitchen. It has a big island with white countertop, and the backsplash is also white. I like the color of the cabinet as well. It matches the color of the floor really well. And all the appliances are Sammamish, really top-notch brand. And then in here is one of my favorite designs of this house. We can call it the second kitchen or the Asian kitchen. So if you are cooking something really oily or very smelly, you can do it here and hide all your toys inside, so all your guests won't see the messy kitchen. Behind the kitchen, there is this guest suite that I really like. Okay, coming this French door, and then 10 feet ceiling height, and we can see there is a covered patio through the patio door. The size is great. And another thing that I really like about this home is this bathroom. So a lot of homes have a guest suite on the first floor, but very few of them has this huge first floor bathroom. It almost feels like this is the second primary bedroom on the first floor. So people like me who have parents living with my family, I think this is a great place for them. And then this way, they also have a walk-in closet that is huge, and their own washer dryer as well. I love this design. Going through this patio door, let's check out their backyard. So this is a 1 acre lot, The greenbelt, part of the greenbelt belongs to this lot, so it provides all the privacy, but it's pretty far out, so you have a very flat backyard that is very usable. And this covered patio has 2 skylights, really good natural light, and I love the fact that it does have a gas fireplace. So, you get your wine from the tourist district, you come home, you sit here, drink your wine, look at the fire. This is just perfect lifestyle. And then from here, you can see the little covered patio that is right outside that guest suite that we just showed you guys. I really like the design because the guests or, your parents, they can also enjoy the backyard right through their patio door. So on the second floor, there are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Coming this way, this is a really good hallway. It does have big windows on this side, so the natural light is great. And it does have the same oak engineering wood through the hallway. Let's take a look at the bonus room first. This is a very bright bonus room. In this area, you can make it kind of like a media room, and you just, put on all the window treatment, then you can make it the way you like it. And then on this corner, there is a wet bar with the wine cooler and the microwave. So if you want to do popcorn, you can do it. And then, of course, on this side, you can put more like game room or whatever you want to make it. Let's check out their primary bedroom. So this is one of my favorite space of this home. I like how big Marie Franklyn always make the primary bedroom is. So you can make this space as your reading room, an office, or a small media room for just the owners. And I like the fact that it also has this see-through gas fireplace. It just adds that luxurious design of this room. Coming this way, this is the primary bedroom. Just look how big it is. I like the fact that it also has the privacy, but the natural light is pretty good as well. And here is their primary bathroom. It's really bright because, Marie Franklyn always adds a skylight, a big skylight in their primary bathroom. So mostly the primary bathroom is the brightest room in this house. So it does have all those tiles throughout on the floor, and then I like the fact that it actually covers all the area from the floor to the ceiling. Just see how luxurious it is. And coming this way, this is their walk-in closet. So it does have 2 sections. This is a bigger section, mostly for the ladies, I suppose. And then on this side, there is a smaller section here. And coming through this door, it's connected to the laundry room. So for owners, it's just really convenient to wash their clothes. I really like the location of this home. Being only 5 minutes to tourist district and Woodinville downtown is really convenient. And the community itself is beautiful, right? The homes are very luxurious, magnificent. We even saw some deers walking around when we were shooting this community. The home itself, the floor plan is very functional, and they have a lot of features that really make sense. So this community has just started selling. They already sold 1, and there are 22 homes to choose from, starting from $4 million. And I really appreciate the listing agent, Chris Conover, to invite us to shoot this home. If you're interested in this home or this community, just reach out, and I will see you next time.